Okay, we're back at the greenhouse. We got her all sewn up here now. A few little things left to do, but we're pretty tight. You can see that the plastic is all installed and battened down. I buried the ends of the plastic. Now we've got a bunch of small pieces to pin the plastic along the outside, so you can see here around the doorway. We framed it out around again to try and secure the plastic and tighten it up a bit. You can't get it perfect. The thing is, of course, you're putting a square piece of plastic over a hoop greenhouse, so a semicircle, so you're not going to be able to get it exact, but no, it's pretty good, and the PVC hoops work really well. It's amazing how much heat. Now it's just the first day of May here, and you get lots of nice warm temperatures inside. So again, you can see this is the inside. We looked in here before. We got our window done now. That opens at the top. We got a little heat sensitive lever now that's going to moderate temperature via that. You'll notice in here as well, we got a black barrel. Now what I'm doing is we're going to fill that with water and use it as a bit of a heat sink. So hopefully it'll warm up, and then in the cool evenings, especially early on, it'll break the frost, and if there is any. I doubt in here it'll get cold enough, but this should help keep things, moderate the temperature, keep things warm. So you'll notice I just temporarily, I've got some hose gone over, and that's actually gone right over to the ram pump, which we've shown you before down in the woods down that way. So I'm just using this temporarily to fill up that barrel. But yeah, it's coming together. Like I said, I took a little bit of the soil and buried up the edges of the plastic, and that should help things, make things a little more secure. We had really strong winds out here last week, and it wasn't fully secure, but the good news is it didn't blow apart. So that bodes well, because out in this area we get winds sometimes up to about, sometimes gusts up to 150 kilometers an hour or more, so it's pretty severe. Anyway, that's the greenhouse. Today we're doing a little bit of yard cleanup and clean up around the area. You can see we got a little bit of, it's a rainy day, so it's a perfect day to burn some old limbs and straighten a few things out. There's the help right there, with the uniform, the green uniform on, and yeah. So there's where we are, May 1st. Before you know it, all this will be green.